Hi, my name's Heaven, the owner of the Bodhi restaurant, and today we're going to put an Asian twist on a classic dish. We're going to be making Pandan Waffles with coconut ice cream, fresh berries and maple syrup. It's going to be delicious. Chop the fresh pandan leaves and add your plant-based milk. Blend it on a high speed, then strain with a fine strainer. Then you're going to add in your lemon juice or white vinegar, whisk and let it sit for about 5 minutes to let it curdle. Once your mix has naturally thickened, we're going to add in some vegetable oil, some maple syrup, vanilla paste, sea salt, baking powder and plain flour. Make sure you mix it well. You can either do this by hand or with an electric mixer. You really want to try and just get all the lumps out. So take your waffle machine, spray some oil on it so that your waffles don't stick, and then pour your batter into your machine. Now each machine is different, so make sure you follow the instructions on your machine. Once the waffles are ready, we're going to pop them on a plate, and then I add a scoop of coconut ice cream, some fresh berries to garnish, and I drizzle it with some maple syrup. And there you have it, a deliciously decadent dessert or breakfast, vegan pandan waffles with fresh berries and maple syrup.